Today, I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing and delicious Nigerian drink called Zobo. Zobo is a popular beverage made from dried hibiscus flower and infused with various spices. Zobo is easy to make and is packed with so many health benefits. For us to make this Zobo, we'll be needing hibiscus flower. We'll be needing clove. I have 3 nylon of clove here. We'll be needing ginger, and also we'll be needing pineapple to spice up our Zobo drink. There are so many health benefits of this hibiscus flower called Zobo. It helps to lower blood pressure, supports the health of your heart. It is loaded with antioxidants, which are awesome for overall wellness. Zobo is used for treating loss of appetite, cold, heart, and nerve diseases. Also respiratory tract pain and inflammation. Isn't that wonderful about Zobo? Another key ingredient is clove. Clove is used because of the aroma and the flavor it gives to the Zobo. And it is also an antioxidant, which is definitely good for the body. Zobo drink will definitely have an enjoyable taste once you add ginger. Ginger is a herbal remedy for conditions such as bloating and upset stomach. So it makes it more appealing when you add ginger to your Zobo drink. So another thing I used for my Zobo is pineapple. So you can definitely add other fruits you want, like cucumber, tangerine, just name it, any of them you want. So guys, if you know you're watching up to this time and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and comment. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting an alert when I post a new video. So as you can see, the next thing I started doing was to start pounding the ginger. I just started doing my whole preparation for this Zobo drink.